Hi, this is Phil from WTI. I'm here to talk about the ISOtunes AIR Defenders. These are earmuffs, and the best earmuffs that I've used. So I'm a core technician, so what that means is I cut core, so it's very loud. At my job, you have to have hearing protection. I'm a very big fan of ISOtunes. One of the specific things that I like about these is they're very light. There's a nice cushion right on top, so when you do put them on, it's not pushing down hard. The foam on here doesn't give you a headache. It doesn't push on your side of your head. And on top of being comfortable, you can listen to music all day at your job. It's 40-hour playtime. So you have to worry about taking them off and charging them when you're halfway done your job. While you have these on and you're working at a loud job, you can hear a phone ring. You go outside, you can talk with these on. They're Bluetooth. Such a good thing. I now use that often. Very easy to use. There's your charger at the bottom. You just plug it in, very simple. Your power button's at the bottom. Your top button is your pause and play and skip and reverse button. And then your volume and your lower volume. So if you're looking for something lightweight that'll block out the sounds at your loud job, these are what you're looking for. I highly recommend them. And I've been telling people that ISOtunes are awesome and great. And that's my point of view.